I've been getting a lot of questions about this tool on Instagram and TikTok. I did make a video about it years ago, but I figured it's a good time for an update. This tool is a NONAKA screw punch made in Japan. It's designed to make holes with torque force in material like paper, cloth, or leather. I mostly use it for book cover boards and stab bindings. To punch holes, you need a cutting mat, board, or wood block underneath your project, and holding it in place, push the handle down and lift up. It can punch holes pretty much anywhere on your project, and the thicker the material, the more punches it will take to cut all the way through. The cutout material builds up inside and can be emptied out of this side chamber right here. Sometimes pieces will get stuck in the bit, and I use an awl to poke it through. I like using this for book covers because it doesn't take much effort to push, it doesn't strain my hand, and it leaves clean-cut holes. Compared to an awl, which may take more time and effort to pierce through, gathering excess material to the outside. I still use an awl for some projects, but the screw punch will give a cleaner finish. This screw punch came with a 3mm bit, which is sometimes called a blade, and I also use a 2mm and a 4mm depending on the project. Replacement bits and other sizes are usually sold separately. To change it, the end screws loose like this and tightens to hold the bit in place. If you're looking to buy one, in my opinion, NONAKA makes the best Japanese screw punch. I've had mine for over a decade and I'm still impressed at how durable it is after all these years. It came in a sleeve when I bought it, but they have since redesigned their packaging to look like this. It's only made in Japan and sometimes imported by other companies that call it a push drill, and it can be confusing to tell where it's made, so you may have to search for the NONAKA name to make sure it's from that company. From what I've read, NONAKA was the original inventor and patent holder of this tool, and unfortunately, since then, there have been many poor quality knockoffs. So while you're shopping around, one way to tell if it's made by NONAKA is the engraved screw punch made in Japan on this metal part. Other brands won't have this. Some people may find that the cheaper versions work fine, but from the reviews I've read and feedback from you guys in the comments, they eventually fall apart. I bought a popular one to compare, and it's just not the same quality of design. This thing fell off. The bits I had didn't fit into it, so maybe you have to only buy their bits. The handle was unfinished and didn't feel as good to use, and the punch mechanism wasn't as smooth. So my opinion remains the same. If you want one that will last a while, look for made by NONAKA and made in Japan. Keep in mind, the NONAKA screw punch and bits aren't always in stock at the same stores. Inventory changes frequently and prices will vary, so you may have to shop around. I'll include a list of links in the description to where I know you can buy this, but if you have any other sources, leave a comment, and I'll do my best to keep that list updated. After a decade of use, this continues to be one of my favorite tools to use in bookbinding projects. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. A big thanks to my patrons and members for supporting this channel. If you want to join, check out the links below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!